So you have discovered your trauma from your intergenerational trauma. What type of therapy has helped you?
Um, I've been doing talk therapy.
Mhm.
Uh, it's been very effective for me because it's allowed me and for me it worked the best because I do a lot of overthinking anyways.
Yeah,
And
well, welcome to the club.
yeah, and so it allowed me to do a lot of sort of self-reflection and
Mhm.
processing, and with the guidance of the therapist, I work through a lot of things, but I'm still getting triggered.
Right. Mhm.
And so I've just recently started EMDR therapy.
I've done that, and I've really it's that's been really helpful for me as well. Yeah, that's a good one.
I haven't gotten very far yet,
Mhm.
and but there's no one I have met yet who said they didn't benefit from it. So
Right, right. It really did a lot for me. It really accelerated my healing process. And the one thing that it helped me with, which was really interesting, and at the time it felt strange, and I didn't know if it was even real because it felt so strange. But then I found out somebody else had done the same thing. But it had allowed me to talk to little Lisa and come along little Lisa and support her so she would have a voice. She didn't have a voice for many years. It's really kind of an interesting technique, but it really helped put things into perspective for me.
and I remember I had a major kind of I came crashing down last May.
Mm.
And, I remember that night where I swear I was just, an uh, 8-year-old version of me,
Hmm.
totally lost, no clue what to do. You know, and I basically was in this I don't know, I can't even put words to it, but it took me, several months to climb out of that hole.
Well, this was buried deep within you for a long, long time. So, I mean, even those of us who've started our journey younger, it's a journey. I mean, for me, I believe that it's a journey till you take your last breath. You just learn how to manage it a lot better. So, I think you've
Yeah.
done a lot in a very short amount of time.
Yeah, I think that's probably true. I My therapist will tell you that I never stopped working on it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and yeah, it's kind of really weird, kind of strange. I don't know that at this age that I've kind of gone through this whole transformation.
Hmm.
And which I think the message is anybody who thinks they're too old, no, no such thing.
Exactly. That's right.
Whenever it's time, it's time. And I'm probably a better version of myself than I've ever been.
Mhm.
And I'm the fact that I'm here even talking about this stuff, and constantly talking to groups and doing a lot of Holocaust education now and awareness is not something I would have ever done in the past.
Mhm.
And so, for me, it's worked out amazing.